welcome back to Supremo classes. I hope you are fine and today is great day for you. Today I am going to quick revision on important sections of Indian Penal Code. In this video I am cover all important sections of Indian Penal Code. And this video is very useful for you. So watch this video till end. So let's begin the video. Section 2 Punishment of offences committed within India and Section 3 Punishment of offences committed beyond but which by law may be tried within India. You must remember in these two sections different Section 2 Punishment of offences committed within India and Section 3 Punishment of offences committed beyond but which by law may be tried within India. Next important sections is Section 8 Gender, Section 11 Person, Section 34 Act done by several persons in furtherance of common intention. Section 34 is very important section. Only 4.2% students are subscribed my channel and 95.8% students not subscribe my channel. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get a new video notification. Next important section is Section 39 Voluntarily, Section 40 Offence, Section 52 Good Faith, Section 52A Harbor, Section 53 Punishment, Section 73 Solitary Confinement, Section 74 Limit of Solitary Confinement. I made a playlist and also a link in description, MCQ series and also a quick revision series. I made these two series. In MCQ series I am recently amendment in 2018 and 2019 I made a MCQ series. Please watch this video and this video is very useful for you for your exam. So please watch this video. Next important sections is Section 76 to 106 Chapter 4 76 to 106 General Exceptions. Please remember chapter number also. Many times asked chapter number also. General Exception Chapter 4 Section 76 Act done by person bound or by mistake or fact believing himself bound by law. Section 77 Act of judge when acting judicially. Section 78 Act done pursuant to the judgment or order of court. Section 79 Act done by person justified or by mistake of fact believing himself justified by law. Section 80 Accident in doing a lawful act. Section 82 Act of child under 7 years of age. Section 83 Act of child above 7 and under 12 of immature understanding. Section 84 Act of person of unsound mind. Section 85 Act of a person incapable of judgment by reason of intoxication caused against his will. In this general exceptions is very important chapter. All important sections cover in this video. Next है Section 87 Act not intended and not done not known to be likely cause death or grievous hurt done by consent. Section 88 Act not intended to cause death done by consent in good faith for person benefit. Section 89, act done in good faith for benefit of child or insane person by consent or guardian. Section 90, consent known to be given under fear or misconception. Section 92, act done in good faith for benefit of a person without consent. In this video, I am only overview all important sections, not explain any section because in few minutes cover all important sections. Section 93, communication made in good faith. Section 96, things done in private defense. Section 97, right of private defense of the body and of the property. Section 98, right of private defense against the act of a person of unsound mind. Section 99, acts against which there is no right of private defense. Section 106, right of private defense against deadly assault when there is a risk of harm to innocent person. Next important chapter is chapter 5. Section 107 to 120, abatement. Please remember a chapter number. Section 107, abatement of a thing. Section 117, abating commission of offence by the public or by more than 10 persons. Chapter 5A, 120A, 120B of IPC, criminal conspiracy. Chapter 5A. Section 120A, definition of criminal conspiracy. Section 120B, punishment of criminal conspiracy. Next important section, section 124A, sedition. Section 141, unlawful assembly. Section 142, being member of unlawful assembly. Section 146, rioting. Section 159, affray. Section 191, giving false evidence. Section 268, public nuisance. Section 339, wrongful restraint. Section 314, wrongful confinement. Section 349, force. Section 350, criminal force. Section 351, assault. Section 354, assault or criminal force to woman with intent to outrage her modesty. Next important section is section 354, assault or criminal force to woman with intent to outrage her modesty. Section 354A, sexual harassment and punishment for sexual harassment. Section 354B, assault or use of criminal force to woman with intent to disrobe. Section 354C, voyeurism. Section 354D, stalking. Next important sections, section 359, kidnapping. Section 360, kidnapping from India. Section 361, kidnapping from lawful guardianship. Section 362, abduction. Section 375, rape. Section 376, punishment for rape. Section 376D, gang rape. Section 376DA, punishment for gang rape on woman under 16 years age. Section 306DB, punishment for gang rape on woman under 12 years of age. DB is 12 years and DA is 16 years. Remember this difference. Section 376E, punishment for repeat offense. Section 377, unnatural offenses. Next important section in section 378 theft, 383 extortion, 390 robbery, 391 dacoity, 396 dacoity with murder, section 399 making preparation to commit dacoity, section 403 dishonest misappropriation of property, Section 405 Criminal Breach of Trust, Section 410 Stolen Property, Section 430 Habitually Dealing in Stolen Property, Section 414 Assisting in Concealment of Stolen Property, Section 415 Cheating, Section 420 Cheating and dishonestly inducing delivery of property. Next important section is Section 441 Criminal Trespass, Section 446 Housebreaking by Night, Section 494 Marrying again during lifetime of husband or wife, Section 497 Adultery, Section 498 Enticing or taking away or detaining with criminal intent a married woman, Section 498A Cruelty by husband or relatives of husband, Section 499 Defamation, Section 503 Criminal Intimidation, Section 506 Punishment for Criminal Intimidation, Section 509 Word, gesture or act intended to insult the modesty of a woman, Section 511 Attempts to commit offenses. Please like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.